Listen for the beat po will start. Not slow walking pace. Alright. Check yung nanalising nyo. Mamaya po yung mismong stage 1, aangat yung treadmill, less than double po. No? Almost double pero ng pace na to, pero hindi exactly. Okay. Your ECG looks good po. We can start anytime. Ready na po? We can start stage 1 na. Okay. So, aangat na po yung treadmill. And then the speed will go up po. 2.5 kilometers na walking na pace.
Forward ang talking mo.
Yan po, perfect po. Heart rate niya po is 66%. Target po is at least naka-85 po. So, habang bumibilis yung exercise, aakyat din po yung heart rate. 68% na po. First 30 seconds done, 2 minutes, 30 left. Heart rate. One minute done, 2 minutes before stage 2. Still 68%.
Ano kayo dito?
Halfway po, 1 minute 30. One minute to stage 2. 70% heart rate. 45 seconds po.